Hi guys, it's Simran here again and welcome back to Foxy. I will be showing a few hacks today, makeup related hacks. Are you finding it very difficult to have a straight line on your nose contour or to get the proper eyebrow shape? And I'm going to show you some easy hacks that you can do and that your makeup will turn out really well after using these hacks, and it will be really easy for you to do your makeup and your nose contour, including your mascara. I will be showing how to do your mascara in a way that your lashes are lifted up so that it looks really pretty. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So let's begin with mascara. Mascara, usually when you apply, it gets bloaty and your lashes do not elongate. You don't know how to do it really well. This is a very easy hack to get your mascara lifted. All you need is pocket tissue and you can use any mascara that you have. I will be using the Chameleon mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. What we will do is we'll take one tissue paper. We'll flatten it out. We don't want it to be very thick. We'll just flatten it out. When you open your mascara, you get this little blob of mascara on the top. That is very important and you need to know how to use it. So all you have to do is take the blob and apply it below your lashes before starting with your mascara. Now you have to do is take your tissue paper, put it above your eye on the eyelid. Don't worry, your eyeshadow won't come off. When you keep it above your eyelid like this, hold it and then take your mascara and swipe up. So what happens is when you're applying your mascara, you can see this, all this mascara on the tissue paper, it's not applying on your eyeshadow. So your eyeshadow is not getting messed up when you're applying your mascara. All you have to do is apply your mascara by keeping your tissue paper on top of your eyelid. So your mascara looks elongated and you won't have blobs of mascara on your eyeshadow and you won't have to apply your eyeshadow all over again. As you can see the difference, you can do the same thing on the next eye. As you can see the mascara, how full it looks after using the hack. We'll finish off the mascara and now let's go to the nose contouring. For nose contouring, you need two things. Contour. Usually try to take a darker shade for contouring, and tweezers. These two things will give you a proper line on your nose, which will help you get the proper contour. So for contouring, I will be using the Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 17. While contouring, try to use a darker shade. I will be dipping my tweezers in the contour. Do not take too much product. If there's too much product, just dab it on your hand so that it comes off. Now all you have to do is take these tweezers, mark the center, leave it loose. Do not press it or it will get very blobby. Leave it loose, mark the center of your nose and drag it down to the tip of your nose. So you will get these contour lines. Now do not use your finger. Take a blender, beauty blender, and smudge it on the sides. So after you have done the darker shade with the tweezers, I am going to take the Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer in the shade FS26, which is a lighter shade. I'll be taking a flat brush, just a little bit, not too much. Take the center of my head from my unibrow section, drag it straight down. After that, take a beauty blender and blend it. Now to complete my nose contouring, I will highlight in the center and on the bridge of the nose. For highlighting, I will be using the Makeup and More highlighter palette, which has 12 different shades and it is beautiful, as you can see. I will be using the rose gold shade. Dab the extra product out on the center of your nose. And on the bridge. Usually in the light, it looks much better. So it highlights the nose in the right areas and dims the nose in the wrong areas. So it makes your nose look slimmer and pointier. So let's get to our third hack. I will be showing you how to get the proper and similar shape on both your eyebrows. Usually it is difficult to get the same shape that you have given on your right eyebrow and your left eyebrow. So what we'll have to do, we need a Q-tip and we need an eyebrow pencil. I'll be using a dark brown eyebrow pencil because I have very thick eyebrows. Keep your Q-tip on the end of your eye and give it an angle at the end of your eyebrow and mark it over there. After that, you have to give the inner eyebrow a marking. So at the beginning of your eye and give it a straight angle and mark it. Do not go towards the end of your eyebrow, at the beginning of your eye. Then from the end of your eye, give it a straight line, not an angle, a straight line and mark it. That is where your curve of the eyebrow will go. Then keep your Q-tip straight where both your eyebrows meet. So your Q-tip has to meet on both the tips. That is your highest point, right there. Now all you have to do is join the dots. Now fill it in. You repeat the same procedure on your next eyebrow. Now take a spoolie after you have connected the dots. Just brush it off so that it has no harsh lines. Pull it a little on the inner corner so that it does not look very harsh and it gives a soft effect. Once you've done, you can see how different it is, and if you think that the eyebrow line is gone a little lower or little upper, you can anytime correct it with the concealer while doing your eyeshadow. So you can see how different it is and how we have a definite shape of the eyebrow, and the difference over here when it looks thin and very has very empty spaces, but this is all full and this will complete your makeup look. So you can see the outcome of this beautiful hacks and easy. Anything you can pick from your house or anything that is there in your kit already. It's really easy to do these hacks and it gives out really good results. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to our channel, like and comment what you would like to see more or any more other hacks that you would like to see. Also, if follow us on Instagram, which is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. Follow me on Instagram, Makeover by Simran, and you can buy all these beautiful products from masmerize.in. Thank you.